How to turn off page updates on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page updates on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then just click these three lines in the top corner and scroll down. Here you will find pages, and then click select your page and click this icon here, and then click general settings and click off. Now just go back, it will be saved, and as you see it's easy, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.